Hi guys, and welcome back to a new weekly vlog. So in this vlog we will talk about the wedding. I will show you some sneak peeks of things that I'm planning to have and the invitations and all that. We got them yesterday. We will also do some cleaning, some organizing, and also a little bit of decluttering because I was awake all night thinking about how we can actually get rid of this dresser in the back right here. So as you can see, this dresser is huge and it is filled with stuff, but once we redecorated the bedroom, this doesn't go in here anymore. It doesn't fit, and as you can see, the space is pretty small because we actually decided to center the bed and the nightstands and all that, but now this needs to go. So I'm thinking about selling this one, and we need to get rid of all the things that are in this drawer. So my plan right now is to go to IKEA, and as you can see, we really need to do some cleaning in here. It gets easily messy in here for some reason, so I always bring out clean clothes to the closet. I don't put them in the drawer and the pile just gets bigger. So we need to fix this situation, but I'm also going to IKEA to pick up a new drawer like this one, because they finally got it back in stock. So I will have one more here. I will pull all of these up one layer so this will be even. So I will have this shelf aligning with this shelf, and I think that will look so much better. And then I will have like perfumes and stuff in here, because I don't pretty much need this shelf for like one purse and a pair of shoes. I'm also gonna get rid of this shelf right here because it annoys me that these don't line up. My plan was originally to put this shelf in the same line as the other one, but now that I'm thinking about it, I want to move this rack all the way to the top and maybe have some of my blazers up here, things that I don't use on a regular basis, and then I will have a shelf or two shelves underneath here, and then I will move this all the way down so it matches with this one. So that is pretty much my plan in the closet. Do a little bit of reorganizing and declutter. So I also need to clean the kitchen and upstairs as well because my bestie is coming on Monday, so everything needs to be clean and organized up there as well, and it is IKEA up there. I will show you a little bit later in this vlog, but for now let's head to IKEA. So we are now back home from IKEA. We just had some dinner and did a little wedding planning with our Toastmaster. So what I picked up from IKEA is the one regular compliment glass drawer, and I think it will look so much better here next to this one, so everything is kind of evened. It's 11 p.m. so I will do the closet thing tomorrow. But now I thought I could show you the wedding invitation, a little sneak peek. So we got our invitations in the mail today. This is pretty much how it looks like in front. So we have our initials right here, and I love how it turned out, like the font and everything. I am so excited for this day. This is actually my mother's birthday, so I will cherish this day forever, and this will be a very special day for me. So this is like the front of the invitations. And then at the back here we have a hashtag Linn and Jørgen 2020. And we also went and did our engagement photo shoot, and I've shared some of these images on my Instagrams. If you don't follow me there, be sure to check it out. So I would just hold over the important information, so not everybody knows all the details going on, but this is pretty much the inside. So we have a different picture here, which I really love. So I just love these invitations so much. I love the detailing and everything, and this also really describes the theme of the wedding. Like, it's very Victorian. I want very like huge flower arrangements and all that. And then we also got matching table cards or like name tags for the wedding as well. And I love that these are similar to the invitation, so it is the same logo, same font. When you get the invitation, you kind of know how the theme is, and we will also have the thank you cards in the same theme, which I'm so excited for. So what I will do now is that I will go through every single one. I will write the addresses on here so we can ship them tomorrow, because these were supposed to go out in June. There's a lot to do, but I will now sit down, write the names and addresses on the envelopes, and hopefully get them shipped by tomorrow. So let me know down below if you loved these invitation, if you think they're cute. So today it is a new day and I just assembled the drawers. So what I'm gonna do now is to take everything out of the closet, like all the drawers and the racks and the shelves and stuff, and then we will build everything back up together. I will go through every drawer and every rack and see what I can change and what I can move around. So that is what we're gonna do right now.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me?
So I am finally done with the closet. I'm done organizing everything pretty much. So I really enjoyed this part right here where I added 2 more shelves right here instead of having the shelf all the way down here. So here I have 2 of my favorite matching separates sets, and then I decided to have my Gucci shoes right there. Down here I moved all my nicer sweaters, blouses, and also turtlenecks, which are my faves. So I have different kinds of fabric, different kinds of style and colors. So instead of having all my t-shirts in one of this, it actually took up a lot of space. So if you remember, I had all of my blazer, like color blazer, in this part. And now I actually have t-shirts, denim jackets, skirts, shorts, and also some jackets, like more special jackets, like the silver one, a faux leather white one and stuff. And I moved my color blazers up here. And I think it looks so much better. It looks so much more organized, and I really love how this part turned out. So the only thing I changed in this section are this shelf right here. Before, this was a lot lower down, as you saw. So now I have some of my favorite perfumes here. So we have Armani C, we have YSL, Alexander McQueen, and also Carl. And then I just added a little Gucci box. And I also removed a drawer right here and I inserted this one instead. So now I have my belt drawer and stuff right here instead. And I think it looks so much better. Now I really get like the boutique feeling when I'm in my closet. So that was pretty much all that I changed in this section right here. And in the added drawer, I just moved everything up as you saw. So now I have my tops here, jeans, pants, and shorts in this one. And I really love how I fold everything. If you haven't seen my earlier videos, this way of folding your clothes will actually leave you with so much more space and you can see everything. So I actually managed to get like all my sweaters from this and this drawer into this, which I'm very excited for. And then I have some left here, but I actually removed a lot of my sweat hoodies and jackets. So now I have like all the sweaters that are pretty much used in this drawer instead of having 2 drawers, and I barely use any of them. So I actually decluttered some. And in here I also got all my like workout clothes, golf clothes, and all that. And then we have some more sweats right here, and these I'm also using. So the ones that I don't use on a regular basis, I've actually taken upstairs. And then in those 2 right here, I just added my boyfriend's jeans and then all his like t-shirts and sweats in this one. And in the lower here I just have all my matching separates, and I also added some of my workout separates here as well. And moving over to the bedroom, as you can see, the dresser is now gone, which makes me excited. As you can see now, there's so much more space right here. I still need to clean up a little bit here and move around, but I also bought this canvas that I wanted to show you because I'm actually going to paint a picture which will be in this frame right here. So I'm so excited. I will vlog the process, of course. So I'm thinking black, gray, silver, and white. So yeah, now you can see there's a lot more space here. We need to take out that laundry basket, and this needs to go upstairs. But other than that, it is so clean and organized right now. So I love, love, love it.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I feel I never let you go now. When you're looking like that, can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine.
So I just hung the picture, and as you can see, it fits so well in that frame, and I absolutely love how it turned out just from one simple idea, and I think it looks so good. The colors are so great as well. And also closer up you can see that I added some glitter details randomly on here. So this was also very inexpensive to make. The only thing I paid for was the canvas and also the paint and some glitter. And I really recommend you guys to try and make your own art. If you see something you like on Etsy, or if you find a picture somewhere and you really love it, I really recommend you to try and make it for yourself, because it was not that hard. So that is just a great idea on how to save a little on decor. But I think another picture over here in this frame, like a smaller one with the same color scheme, will be so nice and will kind of give a balance to this bedroom. So stay tuned for one of the upcoming vlogs. So I'm so sorry for me looking like a mess, but it is actually like 3 a.m. I just hung the picture, I finished everything, and I need to wake up early in the morning because Tanya is coming tomorrow. So that will be a start of a new week and a new vlog. So hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, help me out. There will be some exciting videos coming with the wedding and the wedding itself and all that, so be sure to subscribe. And without further ado, I love you guys. Thank you for watching another week with me, and I will see you next week. Bye guys. Mwah.